Good morning, students. Now, students, we are taking problem based on speed, distance, and time related to quadratic equation. Students, this is the question one. A faster train takes 1 hour less than a slower train for a journey of 200 km. If the speed of the slower train is 10 km per hour less than that of the faster train, find the speed of the two trains. Okay, students, we have to find out the speed of two trains. So let the speed of the faster train equals to x kilometer per hour, and it is given to us the speed of the slower train is 10 km per hour less than the faster train. So the speed of slower train equals to x minus 10 km per hour. Now students, as I told you earlier, generally in speed distance questions, we have to calculate time. So time equals to distance upon speed. So time taken by faster train, distance is given to us 200 km student. Okay. So distance upon speed of faster train x kilometer per hour. So 200 upon x hours. Time taken by faster train equals to 200 upon x hours. Now time taken by slower train, distance is same student, and speed of slower train x minus 10. So 200 upon x minus 10 hours. Now students, this is the time taken by slower train and this is the time taken by faster train. So slower train will take more time than the faster train. So this time is more than the time taken by faster train. Okay, and in condition it is given a faster train takes 1 hour less than a slower train. Correct students? So this is more time. From more time we have to subtract less time, and answer is 1 because 1 hour is given to us. So time taken by slower train means more time minus time taken by faster train means less time equals to 1. Okay students, now one trick you can use, if the numerators are same, so the value whose denominator is less, that will be greater. So its denominator less than by 10, that's why this value is greater. So from greater value we have to subtract smaller value student. So more time minus less time equals to 1. Correct students? Now students, we have to solve this equation. So we can take LCM. In LCM, x minus 10 and x both will be there. Divided by denominator, x minus 10 cancel. X multiplied by 200, 200x minus. Now divide denominator by x is cancel. X minus 10 multiplied by 200. Okay student, equal to 1. Let us open the bracket here. 200x minus 200x, sign will be changed, plus 2000 upon x square minus 10x equal to 1. X square minus 10x equals to 2000. So x square minus 10x, 2000 will come this side, minus 2000 equal to 0. X square minus 10x minus 2000 equal to 0. We have to solve it by factorization or by quadratic formula student. So I am going to solve this equation by factorization. 2000 1 2000 minus 2000 into 1 minus 2000, and we have to find out 10 student. So 50 40 ja 2000. If you are facing problem of finding factors, then you can use a trick. If zeros numbers are here, means 10, 20, 30, this kind of numbers are here, and this side number is having zeros only. So you can do one thing, that you can leave 1 0 here, then you can cut 2 0 here. Okay, in your mind only. So what left here? 20, and what left here? 1. So find out factor of 20 to get 1. 5 for the 20. Then put 1 1 0. Then easily you can find out factors. Okay, so minus 50 plus 40. X square minus 50x plus 40x minus 2000 equal to 0. Correct, students? X is common, x minus 50 plus 40. What left here? X minus 4, 5, 20, 50. So students, x minus 50 and x plus 40 are factors. X minus 50 equal to 0, x equal to 50, x plus 40 equal to 0, x equal to minus 40. So minus 40 not possible because the speed never be negative. X equal to 50. The speed of faster train 50 km per hour, and the speed of slower train x minus 10. So 50 minus 10, 40 km per hour. Okay students, now question number 2. Based on speed, time and distance, a motorboat whose speed is 15 km per hour in still water goes 30 km downstream and comes back in a total time of 4 hours 30 minutes. Find the speed of the stream. Okay students, we have to find out the speed of the stream. So let the speed of the stream be x km per hour. The speed of the boat in still water given to us 15 km per hour, student. So resultant speed of boat downstream. In downstream, speeds are added. So 15 plus x km per hour. Resultant speed of boat upstream. So we have to subtract the speed of stream from boat. 15 minus x km per hour. Students, this point you have to remember. Generally here students are written what? X minus 15. So it is wrong. Always remember, we have to subtract speed of stream from boat, because finding here speed of boat upstream. So from speed of boat we have to subtract the speed of stream. 15 minus x km per hour. This point you have to remember. Generally students are writing what? X minus 15. X minus 15 is wrong. Okay. Now we have to calculate time, students. Time taken to cover 30 km downstream. Time formula, distance upon speed. So distance 30 km given, student. And speed downstream speed is 15 plus x. So 30 upon 15 plus x hours. Time taken to cover 30 km upstream. Distance 30 km. Speed upstream. This is the speed of upstream. 15 minus x hours. Now total time is given, student. 4 hours 30 minutes. It is given to us. Correct, student? We have calculated here, students, time taken in upstream, because boat goes downstream and comes back. So when boat comes back, okay, then the speed will be upstream. Okay, total time we have to add both of them. This is the time taken downstream and this is the time taken upstream. Add both of them. 4 plus 30 minutes. So we have to change 30 minutes into hours. To change 30 minutes into hours, we have to divide it by 60. Correct? 0, 0 cancel, 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6. So 30 upon 15 plus x plus 30 upon 15 plus minus x equal to 4 plus 1 upon 2. Let us take LCM. So 15 plus x and 15 minus x both will be there in LCM. 15 plus x cancel, 30 multiplied by 15 minus x. And 15 minus x cancel. Left 15 plus x multiplied by 30 equal to 2 4 8 or 1, 9 upon 2. Now let's open the bracket, students. 450 minus 30x, 450 plus 30x, and in denominator you can see we can use identity here, a plus b, a minus b, and a square minus b square equal to 9 upon 2. 30x and 30x both are equal, but they have different sign. So that's why 30x will be cancelled. 450 plus 450, 900. 15 square 225 minus x square equal to 9 upon 2. Let us do cross multiplication. So 900 multiplied by 2 and 9 multiplied by 225 minus x square. 225 minus x square equal to 9 will come in denominator here. 9 1 is 9, 0 0. So 100 2 is 200. So 225 minus 200 equals to x square. 200 will transfer this side and x square will come this side. Then 25 equals to x square, x equals to plus minus root 25. So 25 square root 5. So x equal to 5 and x equal to minus 5. Minus 5 not possible because speed never be negative. So speed of stream, we have supposed here speed of stream x. Correct, students? So speed of stream equals to 5 km per hour. Okay, students, have a nice day.